See here, see that example 1. Example 1 choose the children here. Find the first 4 terms of the sequences whose terms are given as follows. Here, Tn is equal to 3n plus 1. Substituting as n is equal to 1. Here, T1 nothing but n is equal to 1 here. You can get a 3 into 1 plus 1. That is what here? 4. Similarly, you can get n is equal to 2. 3 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. 3 into 3 plus 1. Then you can get 9 plus 1, 10. 3 into 4 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is what here children? 13. అంటే మనకి n ప్లస్ 1, 2, 3 మనం రీప్లేస్ చేసుకుంటే మనకు వచ్చే వాల్యూస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయంటే ఇక్కడ 3n plus 1, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4. So you have to get the answers like this. Now we can go through the next term, 2n square minus 3. 2n square minus 3 చూడండి. Next one children here. So 2n square minus 3 అంటే ఇక్కడ then here Tn is equal to 2n square minus 3. Okay na? So substituting as n is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 square minus 3. The value is here. So when you can get here 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 అంటే 2 into 1 square అంటే 1 here. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Major number 3 get the negative value. You can get automatically it is minus 1. So now n is equal to 2 you can write. 2 into 2 square. So now 2 into 2 square. 2 into 2 square means here 4 into 2, 8. So now here you can get 8 minus 3. That is nothing but 8 minus 3 children, 5. అలాగే 2 into 3 whole square. Then you can write here T3. T3 అంటే 2 into 3 whole square. అంటే 9 2s are 18. 18 minus 3. అంటే ఏమొస్తున్నాం మనకి 18 minus 3 అంటే the value is here 15. అట్లనే n equal to 4 రాయండి. 2 into 4 whole square. అంటే 16 into 2 ఎంత అండి? 32 minus 9. 32 minus 3 అంటే ఎంత అండి? 32 minus 3 అంటే 29. 32 minus 3 అంటే ఎంత అండి? 29. So now 29 is the value here. The first 4 terms of the sequence. ఇక్కడ n వాల్యూ ఎంత తీసుకున్నాం మనం? 1, T1, T2, T3. That means what here? First 4 terms of sequence is the values we got minus 1, 5, 15, 29, which is about the example. Next example I will go. The sum of terms of a sequence. Children here, the sum of series means what here? The sum of the terms of a sequence is called the series here. The series of the corresponding sequence. The sum of the terms of a sequence is called the sum of the terms of a sequence is called the series of corresponding sequence. So now you can take example 2. What is the example 2 here? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n is a finite series of first n natural numbers. అంటే మనం n నెంబర్స్ని మనం సమ్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ n న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ యొక్క సమ్ అండి. దెన్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ n న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ సిరీస్ ఈజ్ డినోటెడ్ బై, ఇలాంటి సమ్ని ఎలా డినోట్ చేస్తామంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు డినోటెడ్ బై Sn. దెన్ ఈచ్ టర్మ్ కెన్ డినోట్ యాజ్ ఎంత టర్మ్ అంటే Tn. అలాంటి టర్మ్స్ మనం యాడ్ చేస్తే దెన్ దట్ సమ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ Sn. సో నౌ దెన్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ terms of the series is denoted by Sn here. So now Sn nothing but sum of the series of T1 plus T2 plus so on plus Tn. So S1. So S1 is equal to T1. S2 is equal to T1 plus T2. అలాగే S3 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3. So on here you can take Sn nothing but T1 plus T2 plus T3 so on Tn. So now we have S2 minus S1 అంటే సెకండ్ టర్మ్ కావాలంటే sum of 2 terms minus 1 term, sum of 3 terms minus 2 terms. You can get sum of 2 terms minus first term is get to get here second term. Sum of 3 terms minus second term you can get third term. So T3. Now similarly we can go this way. ఇలా మనం చేయగలిగితే కనుక ఎంత టర్మ్ కావాలంటే Sn minus 1 equal to Tn. Okay children, here. Okay, third example you can see here. In the series Tn is equal to 2n plus 5. What about the S4? Sum of Tn is equal to 2n plus 5. The first term has here 2 into 1 plus 5. That is equal to 7. The second term has 2 into 2 plus 5. That is 9. 2 into 3 plus 5. 11. The first term, second term, third term. In the series, we have to find out S4 means sum of 4 terms you have to find out. అంటే S4 అంటే ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? ది సమ్ ఆఫ్ 4 terms. Sum of 4 terms we have to find out children. So now T4 అంటే కనుక T4 అంటే 4th term 2 into 4 plus 5 అంటే 8 plus 5. The value is here 13. Here 8 plus 6 plus 5 11, 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 5 7. So sum of these all 4 terms. S4 అంటే T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 ఇలాంటి టర్మ్స్ని మనం యాడ్ చేస్తే కనుక ఏమవుతుందండి? 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. That is the 16 plus you can get here 24. The value is here 40. The value is here what? 40 is the sum of the 4 terms of the series. The sum of 4 terms means here S4. So S4 nothing but here it is 40 is the sum of 4 terms. Okay. Next you can go through the next example. The sequence of numbers which follow the specific patterns are called progression. అంటే sequence of numbers ని which follow the specific pattern అంటే some difference అంటే adding pattern అంటే ఏంటి సార్? What about the pattern? Pattern means here you can take addition of the terms, అలాగే subtraction of terms, అలానే you can take multiplication, so etc. depending upon the progression, depending upon the pattern. The progressions are classified as follows. First one as arithmetic progression children. Arithmetic progression denoted by AP children. Arithmetic progression అంటే ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ కాదు, ఈ arithmetic progression has AP. So now here geometric progression, geometric TRAC. So geometric progression which has as GP here. Harmonic progression which has here harmonic progression has here HP. Now you can go through the first one, arithmetic progression. So see that worksheet number 1 మనకి worksheet వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఏమవుతుందో చూడండి. మెయిన్స్ మోడల్ worksheet here. It is a sequence which consists of a countable number of terms. A sequence which consists of the countable number. మనం కౌంట్ చేయగలిగే నెంబర్స్ ఉంటే కనుక ఆ సీక్వెన్స్ ఏమంటాం? ఇందాక మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం ఫైనట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్స్ అన్న దెన్ ఫైనట్ సీక్వెన్స్ కౌంటబుల్ నెంబర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దాని కౌంటబుల్ నెంబర్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ 1 3 5 7. So there are 4 terms of the sequence. So 4 terms means here 4 terms of the sequence here. అలాగే 2 4 6 8 4 terms of the sequence. Then 4 terms as here count not only 4 ఉండాలా అంటే 4 ఉండాలి కదా. There is no need to write 4. You are right here 2 3 5 2 3 5 you can get here. Otherwise you can take one sequence here 2 3 4 అలాగే 5 6 like you can write. So now 5 countable terms you can write. That is called countable terms. A sequence which consists of the countable number of terms. This type of sequence is called the finite sequence. This sequence ఏమంటాం మనం? Finite sequence here now which is a countable. అలాగే next one, the nth term of the sequence here Tn is equal to 2n plus 3 by n minus 1. Then they are asking here nth term is given like this. Then they are asking here what is T5. What is T5 children? T5 ante n in the place of n you can write 5. You can take n is equal to 5 here children. Then you can get children here 2 into 5 plus 3 by, you can write here 5 minus 1, 2 5s are here, 10, 10 plus 3 by 5 minus 1, 4, that is nothing but 13 by 4, which is here T5, which is here T5, which is here what? T5 children. Okay, now, so that is the option number C. Okay, then here the nth term of the sequence, the nth term of sequence is given. So nth term of the sequence is chudandi. Then S5 is given, ante sum of 5 terms. So they are asking solution. I am telling here children, here solution ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే కనుక మనం ఇక్కడ the Tn is given, children. Tn అని ఇచ్చారు మనకి 2n plus 5, 2n plus 5 children. ఓకే, అలాగే S5 అడిగాడండి. S5 అంటే ఏమవుతుందండి? సమ్ ఆఫ్ 5 టర్మ్స్, T1 ప్లస్ T2 ప్లస్ T3 ప్లస్ T4 ప్లస్ T5. సమ్ ఆఫ్ 5 టర్మ్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ S5 చిల్డ్రన్. అలానే T1, T2, T3 I want to find out. What about T1 here? T1 అంటే ఎంత చిల్డ్రన్? 2 into 1 plus 5 children here. 2 plus 5 how much here said children? 7. Now T2. T2 means here 2 into 2 plus 5. 2 into 2 plus 5 means here 4 plus 5, that is 9. T3 children here 2 into 3 plus 5, that is here 6 plus 5, that is 11. T4 అంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే 2 into 4 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13. T5 అంటే ఏంటంటే 2 into 5 plus 5, that value is here 15. Okay, now sum of that all values అంటే S5 అంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే sum of that all values children here 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. Total ఏమవుతుందమ్మా ఇక్కడ 16 plus 11 plus here it is 28 is the sum here. Then it is now here the sum is what here 27 plus 28. 27 plus 28 అంటే ఏమవుతుందండి 55. 27 plus 28 అంటే ఏమవుతుందండి అక్కడ 55. Okay, now children, now here what is the sum of terms of sequence అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఇందాక మనం ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం డెఫినేషన్లో sum of terms of sequence. What is the sum of terms of sequence here? 1 plus 3 plus 5, so on. You can take 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus so on. So these are called here series. These are called what sir here? Series. అంటే the sum of terms of the sequence, sum of the terms of a sequence is called ఏమంటామంటే series అంటామండి. That is called series children. That is called children series. Okay children, here fifth one, the nth term of the sequence here 1 1 2, so 3 5 8 13. So now ఇక్కడ T0 T1 has 1 here. So next terms ఏమవుతాయి? You can see here they are asking the term here. What is the term అంటే మనం ఇక్కడ సీక్వెన్స్ తీసుకుంటే చిల్డ్రన్ ఇక్కడ T0 T1 has here taken as 1. In the sequence 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 8 comma 13. So you have to see the difference here. You can see the difference here. Here 1 plus 1 has 2, 1 plus 2 you can take plus 1 plus 2 has 3. So 2 plus 3 has here 5. So 3 plus 5 has here 8. 8 plus 5 has 13. So 8 plus 13 has next not given, but it will be 21 like that. So now you can take difference here. You can take the difference here. So the difference between these two is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 1. The 5 minus 3. that is greater than 2 means here 5 minus 3 2, it is a 1, here difference is here difference is 3 minus 2 1, preceding to succeeding to preceding, difference here. So now 5 minus 3 here 2, 8 minus 5 3, 13 minus 8, 13 minus 8 here you can get 5. So n greater than equal to, the difference is what? Tn means here Tn minus 1, Tn minus 1 plus, then Tn minus 1 means, Tn minus 1 means the preceding value, before that the value is here Tn minus 2. So if you can subtract the values, then you can get n greater than 2. If you get that preceding value, Tn అంటే మనకి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ 5 రావాలనుకోండి, 5 రావాలంటే మనం ఏం చేస్తే వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ Tn అన్నామండి, దిస్ ఇస్ Tn minus 1 అండ్ Tn minus 2. సో ఈ Tn minus 1 Tn minus 2 యాడ్ చేస్తే నీకు వచ్చేది ఏంటండి 2 plus 3 is 5. అట్లానే యూ కెన్ టేక్ 1, 1, 2 అగైన్ ద సీక్వెన్స్ 5, 8, 13 అంటే Tn అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను సపోజ్ ఐ టేక్ 2, ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు నువ్వు ఇది Tn కదండి, సో ఇది Tn minus 1, దిస్ ఇస్ Tn minus 2. సో ఈ రెండు ఏం చేస్తే వస్తుంది 1 plus 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే 2 వస్తుంది, అంటే యూ కెన్ గెట్ యాడింగ్, బై యాడింగ్ హియర్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ద వాల్యూ 2. కాబట్టి సో యూఆర్ యాడింగ్ Tn రావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి, Tn ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు Tn minus 1 plus Tn minus 2. So for n is greater than equal to 2, you can take, if you got here, if you take 8 as Tn, this is Tn, preceding term is ఏమవుతుందండి Tn minus 1, this preceding value ఏమవుతుందండి Tn minus 2. So 3 plus 5 చేయండి, but you have to add 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5, then you have to get the 8, అంటే Tn రావాలంటే Tn minus 1 plus Tn minus 2, where n is greater than equal to 2, n is greater than equal to 2 children. Okay, now this is about the value of the fifth one. Next one, the sum of, this is about the worksheet sequence and series, last question I think. Sixth one you can take here, the sum of n terms of the series. The sum of n terms of series here, Sn is given as 5n plus 3. Sn is given as here 5n plus 3. So what is T4? Tn means what here? Sn minus 1. Formula ఏంటండి Sn minus 1. So Sn అంటే Sn means in the place of n you can take as it is here 5n plus 3 minus of 5 into n minus 1 plus 3. So you have to write, మనం రాస్తే కనుక 5n plus 3 minus here 5n minus 5 plus 3. So now you have to multiply with minus 5n plus 3 minus 5n plus 5 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 5n get cancelled. What is the remaining value children here? 5 is the ultimate value. 5 is the value here. So now the value is here what? The value is here 5. The value is here 5 in the option number C children. Okay children. Okay, in the next session I am going to, the class will be continued with arithmetic progression. The class will be continued with arithmetic progression. Up to now you heard about sequence and series. మీరు ఇప్పటిదాకా sequence and series కాన్సెప్ట్ అలాగే వర్క్షీట్ విన్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ I am going to explain the concept of arithmetic progression. Okay, thank you.